this episode, I'm going to talk about how to properly decontaminate your coated car. This is really important for optimal beading and long life performance. So stay tuned. When you have a coated car, it's really important to decontaminate your car, let's say once in 3 months minimum. When you're driving your car, you have a lot of contaminants on the paintwork. One of those are iron particles. What I'm gonna do before I start washing my car is I'm gonna spray iron on the whole car to remove these particles before I even start washing the car, because I don't want those in my wash mitt. After that, when we have removed all these iron particles, I'm gonna take Geontar and I'm gonna spray this on the lower parts or on the wheel arches where there are possible tar deposits that I want to remove from my paintwork or all other organic contaminations. With that, I can use a SilkMitt to remove it. This procedure is after I do the iron procedure. And now I'm gonna spray in the lower parts behind the wheel arches with Geontar. So spray Geontar. You can do it from the bottom as well. A lot of tar deposits there. Okay, we let this sit for like 1.5 to 2 minutes. And then, because the car is washed, we have no more dirt or debris on the car. The iron particles are removed. We're gonna do a soft wipe with this SilkMitt on the lower parts to remove all the contaminants before rinsing. Okay, now we're gonna remove the tar particles on the bottom. If you have some stubborn tar particles, you can use some tar spray on your SilkMitt for some extra lubrication. And you can go gently on the bottom parts. Turn the mitt necessary on your hand. Spray some tar. Don't push, just be gentle. And check if you have any contaminants in your SilkMitt. Now we're going to rinse and we'll see if we have some hydrophobicity back on the lower parts of the car. So you can see after our decontamination with iron and tar, a lot of the hydrophobicity is back, almost everything. Now we're ready for the drying stage and we're off for the next episode. I hope you liked it. Feel free to comment and see you soon. Ciao.